Hi everyone, Joshua Gaming here. So now we're gonna be talking about Dragon Queen, Archer Hero. So he's not famous, but he's a rare hero. So the pros and cons is in the text above. So we're gonna read his skill build. So his pros and cons is in above. So we're gonna try to battle him. So his cycle is I'm gonna show you in a minute. So this is his attack cycle. First is his second skill. He applies burn. Normal attack.
Hello.
Then third skill.
Wait.
His ulti is strong, so strong.
Basta.
And repeat that cycle.
Asan mo? Nalam. Nalam sa
So someone's talking here. Miss Kiaboy. Jerderson.
Si Siwa, nasa ibang ko ano, sana yung games. Tutorial sa tutorial ko no.
So I will repeat his cycle. First, second attack,
Wait lang.
third frost skill. He applies burn to the highest attack. Second dormant attack, third frost skill.
Oh, salary. Social kayo.
Third frost skill, that is one of the very strong attack. Then ulti is so strong.
Ano lang isa? Pakat-screen?
See? So I'm gonna show you what his best combo, because you know he's very weak and easily die. He will not survive like a minute. So
Walan mo?
he needs a good tank, good support mage like Celestial Merchant and
Adik, tama din.
healer. But I choose Celestial Merchant because he's very good. So I'm gonna repeat the cycle again,
Hmm?
so you will not be ignorant.
For a while. Isa ra mo ba ito kanan?
Ultimate.
Naka number ni kay Jimmer ni mo?
Wala.
Kiriksa ni mo?
Wala po. Ay, warang na ako kay Kajima. Yara, nung
Sabi
break.
nga, ina nga pala yun. Kiriksa lang. Ina, kay Jimmer, uli daw ka maglimpi sa church karon dayon.
Kung ano ni.
Sino eh?
Someone's talking here, so we're not American. We're just a Filipino.
Wala, nag-tutorial siya sa yung dula. Nag-tutorial. Saan na yun?
Record, tutorial, spotlight.
Oh, hilom daw.
They so annoying, so just bear with them and be too.
Wala ko nag-charge. Hoy.
So I will gonna teach you what is best
Hindi na magkakatong.
enemy and best
Ay, hindi na magkakatong.
best combo on best teammate. So I use this lineup. Wait, gonna find
Ay.
an enemy.
Mm. Wait, picture. Picture ba? Wait.
I use this lineup, the combo with Crimson Rose and Stunner, Nileta, and a tank and a support mage. First attack. So it's good because you gonna see who is the highest attack of the enemy team.
Ito yan eh. Diba? Mm. Mm.
Again, the village and a combo. Look at his ultimate. Oh, that's very strong. So again,
Mana?
he will not survive for a minute.
Ha?
One of the best attack, Frost Scale.
Ano man?
Then bam.
Nice eh. Cute.
He's very good. He survived for now because there's no stunner. So his best enemy is like he don't like the enemy is rear line enemy.
Bastos.
So pretty much your target is a rear line enemy. Rear line enemy is his best enemy. So now we will gonna go to his quest. After this, I'm gonna pause first. So we're back. I defeated him. So now we're gonna go to his quest. His quest is this. That is his quest. And you're gonna pick a quest with high attack. So that's all. Thank you.